to the family and friends and guests of Patrick and Ariza. To those who don't know me, I'm Jota, buong pinsan ni Patrick, side ng brother niya. So, first of all, I have to apologize, di ako dancer, so pagpasok ka lang. So, medyo kalaman pa yung buto ko, so yun lang po. Okay, so I would also like to thank everyone for taking the time to join the special day of Patrick and Ariza. Thank you for being here. I'll make this as short as possible kasi 5 minutes lang ba? So, wait lang. 4 years ago, hindi ko alam ba't pinili ko best man, di ba? So, nalala ko bigla mga 4 years ago, yung night na, anyway, proposal or bagong promise ring, ako yung only witness. Ako yung sole witness doon. After no, after nag-propose or nag-palit ng promise ring, kinabi ako ni Matt, sabi niya sa akin, Tol, pag magpapakasal ako kay Ariza, ikaw best man ko. Sweet, no? Pero nung nalala ko kasi nung bata ko, mga early 2000s, unang dito ko kay Patrick, bata pa kami, naglaro kami ng toys, mga, di ko alam, may mga robots, mga train.
Lego.
May isang problema lang, ako nag-English, yung Pat nagtatagalog lang. So may language barrier kami. Diba? So di ko lang paano kami nag-uusap, pili ko sound effects, random. Tapos growing older, nandun na si Pat sa Manila Baliches, sa may Goodwill. He would invite his friends, tropa, to play basketball. And then, ako wala akong alam sa basketball, susunod-sunod lang ako. Pagsasabi siya, shoot din ako. Sabi niya, block din ako. Pero, nung time na yun, si Pat na lang nag-adjust sa akin. Si Pat nag-adjust sa English. Pero ako, English pa rin. Si Pat, natututo ng English. Ako di ako natututo ng Tagalog. Okay? Tapos nung mga high school to college naman, minsan nandun si Pat sa place sa amin. Doon na makikitulog. Tapos bago matulog, manonood muna kami ng palabas ng maliit na cellphone. Tapos hati kami ng headset. Tapos tawa din kami kasi past curfew na, matulog na dapat kami. Tapos eventually si Pat nag-graduate, nag-OJT, tapos nangyari ang pandemic. Tapos opportunity happened, nakapagpunta siya sa Canada. Tapos 4 years ago, 4 years lumipas, sabi sa akin is, best man daw ako. Pag-uwi niya, this last April, sabi ko sa kanya, March, sabi sa akin, Tol, balita! Sabi niya sa akin, hey man, what's up? English! Yeah, you're my best friend, man! You don't have a choice! Role reversal pa, no? Parang yung English na lang pa yung Tagalog. Pero syempre, yung 4 years na nandun si Pat sa Canada, nag-improve yung English. So, yan yung isang So ito, sabi ni ChatGPT, Pat has always been a generous guy. He would not only treat me like a younger brother, but also as an equal. Malaking influence si Pat sa akin. Hindi lang sa pag-iinom, but I saw,
Bad influence?
Influence si Pat kasi I saw his hunger for a better and stronger, successful life. Right? Pat has many good traits. He is generous, funny, and ambitious. However, Pat has come a long way from his younger pasaway days. And he is strongly matured, and for that reason, I believe we have to thank Ariza. Ang pagbati na din na kami ni Ariza, nakilala ko rin siya this past few years. And I can say that Ariza is the perfect match for Pat. She is patient, goal-oriented, and even on the same wavelength of humor. I believe she has helped bring out the best personality of Pat. So in short, bumait si Pat dahil kay Ariza. Ariza has always been the backbone of the relationship, always showing her full support for Patrick's future and well-being. I believe she is and forever will be Patrick's strongest anchor. For 11 years they've grown together, developed for better, and together, I believe they can conquer any high mountain or any rough sea. I'm very honored, Pat, and the reason na pinili niya akong best man. Parang kapatid ko lang kayo eh. Ako yung nag-uusap bigyan nyo pag nandun ako sila. So thank you, Pat Riza. So to the family and friends and guests of Patrick and Riza, I would like everyone to join me to raise the glass